Hello, welcome to all students. Let us see some basic points in a matrix topic. We know up to this step we know different what is by matrix, different types of matrices. Also, some additional point is here how to add or how to subtract two matrices. We are discussing how to add and how to subtract two matrices. That is, we can say as the addition of two matrices, addition, or we can say as a subtraction of two matrices. Subtraction of two matrices. So, two matrices, suppose A and B are the two matrices, and if we want to add the two matrices, their order must be same. Okay, suppose a matrix A equal to Aij having order m by n, and the matrix B elements are Bij, order m by n. Look here, m by n, rows and column, m rows and n columns. Here m rows and n columns of the second matrix. Then their addition A plus B is equal to A plus B, just addition of two matrices, is equal to another matrix. Here, suppose here Cij having this m by n. This is the definition of addition of two matrices. For subtraction, only change here minus sign. This will give us subtraction of two matrices. And here the elements of addition or a subtraction is obtained by corresponding elements of a matrix A and B. Let us take one example. Suppose A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 0, 1, 6. This is a matrix. Order is 2 by 3. Two rows and columns are 3. Another matrix B, 0, 2, 2, 5, 1, 7. This is another matrix having order 2 rows and columns 3. These are two matrices. Let us find here addition A plus B and now A minus B. Okay, so solution here A plus B. For addition of two matrices, what is our rule? Order must be same. Order of first matrix, A matrix, is 2 by 3. Order of second matrix is again 2 by 3. So A plus B means here, right here, 2, 3, 5, 0, 1, 6. This is first matrix. Plus second matrix here, 0, 2, 2, here 5, 1, 7 again, order 2 by 3 here, order 2 by 3. Here, right here, order 2 by 3. And the addition is obtained by here adding corresponding element. First position is 2, here first position is 0, 2 plus 0, here 2 plus 0, this is the first position. Second position 3 and here 2. 3 plus 2, this is the second position. Third one, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2. Okay. After that, second row, 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5. Here, second position here, 1 plus 1. And last one, 6. This position is 6 plus 7. So this gives A plus B, means here, what will be our result? Our result is here. Okay, see here, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, answer is 2, 3 plus 2 here 5, 5 plus 2 7, here 0 plus 5 5, after that here 1 plus 1, easy one, it is 2, and 6 plus 7, it is 13, having same order 2 by 3, and this is just addition of the given two matrices. And if you want to find now subtraction, same procedure here, let us find the subtraction of two matrices. Here A plus B, instead of this write here minus A minus B. A matrix keep as it is, here change the minus sign here, minus, and same is a second bracket, second matrix. So here A minus B, keep like this, first element minus first element means we can say as a 2 minus 0, here second element 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2 here, 0 minus 5, 1 minus 1, 6 minus 7. What will the answer? Thus A minus B here. What is the A minus B? Subtract the corresponding element, we will get our automatically answer here. 2 minus 0 remains 2. 3 minus 2, it becomes 1. Now 5 minus 2, it is 3. So here 0 minus 5, here negative 5. 1 minus 1, it is a 0. 6 minus 7, it is a minus 1. Thus, we have discussed techniques to find how to calculate, how to add two matrices or how to subtract two matrices. But condition is if the two matrices of a different order, then we cannot add such type of matrices or cannot subtract such type of matrices. Look here, suppose A matrix is same here and B matrix is like this, 4 8 9, here order is 3 rows, column 1, and can we find A plus B? Find A plus B, A minus B. Okay, so in this condition we cannot find the addition of the two matrices or subtraction of two matrices. So remembering point is two matrices must be of same order, then and then only we can find the addition of such type of two matrices. Thank you very much.